Hey, take pictures.
Which car are you guys riding on?
B.
B?
B. Something.
Kind of B. There'll be a letter right by the door where you're born. Magnetic letter. Oh, okay. See that little stick or yeah, real stick. They'll have a letter B up there for you. Thank you.
I love the icicles. So cool.
Estamos a punto de subirnos al tren del Gran Cañón.
Zero 6. 6. Yes.
Okay.
6A and 6B.
I call the window seat. Ha ha ha.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. So I really wanted to do the observation dome car, but I'm also really cheap, and it was like over $400 for 2 people both ways. So we're just in, what is this, Coach? Yeah. But it's pretty nice. Look at that. It's not super crowded. We had a giant snowstorm here in Williams yesterday. And it is still snowing. And it's supposed to be snowing when we get to the Grand Canyon too. So that'll be interesting. I've only ever seen the Grand Canyon in the winter one time. Let's see. Can you see it on my phone? It's my lock screen from like 3 years ago on my iPhone. Wait, I don't know how to do that. There it is. It's one of my favorite national parks. Alright. Okay. There was no announcement, but we are moving. I guess that's because we're in Coach. I was reading that all the other cars have like entertainment and stuff. And like announcements and hosts and all that. But like I said, I'm cheap. Look at that. We came out yesterday during the storm and I was taking pictures of that. Oh, there's somebody. Oh, look at, here's the people from the Wild West show. So from 9 to 9:15 there's a Wild West show, but I didn't make my way down there. Because a BNSF came by and I got a little distracted. So I filmed the train instead of the Wild West show. I'm going through the crossing. Can't do this one-handed. Oh, look at the power car. That's cool. The caboose. Wow, that's what they look like without graffiti on them. Cool. I can see it a little clearer today. Here's some other cool train cars. I could kind of see some of these yesterday, but I couldn't get good pictures through the snow. Oh, look at that one. Oh, you can see the interstate over there. Yesterday we got a notification on our phones, or I guess it was last night, that the 40 was shut down from Ashford to, what was it? No, it was east of here, to east of Flagstaff because of the storm. And we got it. I don't even know how many, like, it said between 6 and 10 inches. See, look, if I brought my skates, I could have skated on that. That looks like ice right there. There's another frozen pond. Ooh. Oh yeah, I see it. That's cool. Yeah, that is a straight up frozen pond. I could have skated on that. Damn it.
Very nice.
I'm not hooking up.
Very nice.
Woo. Oh yeah, you can see it. Okay. Cool. Oh, look at Grand Canyon Railway. Look at the trees. That is so pretty. Look at all the frozen little ponds, though. Now I know I could bring my skates and skate out here. For those that don't know, I was a figure skater before COVID and the fire and all that shit. So I kind of got into doing other stuff during COVID, but I do need to get back out on the ice. Here we go. We're gonna go under the 40. Oh, you can see the locomotives. That's so cool. Ah, there's somebody else out there taking pictures. Another rail train. Oh, look at the little train. That's cool. You can put your beanie on one-handed. Here we go, under the 40. I've driven this road so many times. Oh, cool. Oh, we gotta come get pictures of those at some point. Oh, wow, look at that. We have to walk. Here we go, under the 40. Interstate 40. I've taken this road as far east as somewhere in Texas. Amarillo? Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's what I thought. So that's as far as I've gone on Route 66. Oh, look at all the... That's cool. Maybe I should have sat on that side. Maybe I'll sit on that side on the way back. Oh, now there's a wall.
I'm sure the train will be going down the way back.
Oh, good point. Good point. Are those tracks up there? This must be one of the other parts of BNSF. Castle. Ooh. Oh, cool. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's so cool. I'm not going to spill my coffee again. I was like, it got so much lighter because I spilled half of it on the floor.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Grand Canyon Railway. As we have departed the historic Williams Depot and the Grand Canyon Railway Hotel, there are 63-mile journey to the Grand Canyon National Park. It is my pleasure to introduce the crew that will be serving you today. My name is Bernie, I'm the conductor. Up front of locomotive 237, Misha is our engineer today, and Kathy's the fireman. Our onboard passenger service supervisor is Pete. And we do have some great musical entertainment on board for you folks today. There are several safety pointers that must be brought to your attention. Smoking is not permitted anywhere on the train, not in your restroom, vestibules, or platforms. No smoking or vaping on the train. Please keep the hallways, doorways, and vestibules clear at all times. And for your safety, we ask that an adult accompany children out of age 12 when they are moving through the train. And shoes must be worn if you are moving through the train. There is drinking water in a restroom located in each passenger car on today's train. Our destination is the Grand Canyon National Park. Allow me to share some information with you. It became a park in the year 1919 and covers a land area of 1,904 square miles. The canyon is 277 river miles long, with over 500 miles along the rim. It's 18 miles across at its widest point. It averages 10 miles wide. And there is a 1 mile elevation change from the rim down to the mighty Colorado River that helped carve this spectacular canyon. In 1901, the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway completed this route and began passenger and freight service to the South Rim. 3-hour train trip was much more enjoyable than an 8-hour stagecoach ride. But the country fell in love with the automobiles and people did not ride the trains as much. So the Santa Fe discontinued passenger service in 1968. They kept the line open until 1974 when the line was abandoned. The 63 miles of track we travel today lay dormant for 15 years until Max and Thelma Beard bought the line, saving it from the scrap heap. Grand Canyon Railway re-inaugurated passenger service on September 17, 1989. Today the train is helping to lessen traffic problems that never were imagined at the turn of the 20th century. And for your convenience, if you have a cafe car on the train today, we do sell coffee, hot chocolate, soft drinks, a variety of snack food items, beer, wine, and ice cream. And it is a credit card only train. And the Territorial Times newspaper contains many articles to help you enjoy a visit to the Grand Canyon. And we do thank you for riding the Grand Canyon Railway today.
Oh, you done? Thank you.
This is so beautiful. Yeah.
Is that the C train?
No, you need the C train. Let me wait till we get past this. You missed like opportunities for just the forest.
Just the forest.
Just the forest. Well, now there's power lines in there.
After spending one night away from each other,
So these are ponderosa pines. Flagstaff has the largest ponderosa forest in the world. Some of my useless facts.
You're just going to find a video or find a picture.
I took like 50 on my phone.
Okay, let's find one. Snacks right now.
So before we came on here, I was reading a bunch of Yelp reviews. And there's a whole bunch of people that were like complaining about the scenery for some reason. I don't know what their problem was, but I don't know, this is awesome scenery. Even if it didn't have snow, I think it's still really pretty. But I love the forest, I love the desert. Oh, look at the pond out there. I'm also easily amused. It is so pretty here. The first time I ever came to the canyon was 2015. We had a family event canceled that summer, and so we decided to do something totally different that we had never done and go to a place we'd never been. And so we came to the Grand Canyon, and that is when we fell in love with northern Arizona. And we hope one day to have property out here somewhere. And if I have my way, it'll be up against railroad property so I can train watch.
So we're gonna come up to the 64, which is the regular up there.
Is that the one that it said was closed last night?
Probably, yeah.
I don't know why I'm ordering right now. I
Yay! See, there's a little homestead. That's like what I would want, like right up against the railroad tracks. Yes.
I was trying to figure out this neighborhood. I was trying to see if it was neighborhood.
Yeah. Is this the place you were talking about?
No, it's coming up. So
Oh, interesting. This wouldn't be considered Williams this far north, though, would it?
eventually, this is where it's going.
Oh, you broke it.
So it's kind of like a neighborhood area. I wonder how neighborhood it is. You'll see.
Shit. No, my camera's not gonna. So I'm almost out of coffee. I'm gonna need more coffee soon. See, that could be our little homestead too. We live in our little RV. And it's gone. The railroad ties. I did spill most of it. It's probably on my snow pants, but I just can't tell.
No. Where? Phoenix? Oh, no, under this one. Under this one. Sit down there.
Where are you guys from? What are you here for? You witness protection program or something?
Yep.
Fresno, California.
Fresno.
Yes.
Central Valley.
Yes. But we're up in the mountains east of there, but no one knows where our little town
Well, you
is.
have
So
to tell me.
Toll House. Have you
Where?
Toll House.
No, you heard it.
Yeah, okay. Most people haven't. It's all right.
Well, my brother lived up there in Fair Oaks.
Oh, okay. I know where that is. Yeah.
You know, near the 50. But I got friends up there in Delano.
Okay. Yeah.
Farland.
Yep.
Visalia.
Yep. My
All up
sister.
that 90th?
Yeah. Yep. I know all those places. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're up in the mountains, so a little bit east of there, but most people have never heard of our little place.
No, I've been up there. I've gone out to 49.
Okay.
Take
Yeah,
that
we're a
road.
little bit south of there. Shaver Lake is like the destination place that most people know. So,
Okay.
but
Good.
yeah,
So you're used to this kind of weather.
yeah, we are.
Where are you folks from? Michigan. Michigan. Don't show me your You person cool.
My dumbass spilled my coffee, so I sent Mr. Brokenfoot to go get a refill for my coffee. So there's a cafe car, and they serve like food or like I guess snacks, and they serve alcohol, which I'm going to take advantage of on the way back because neither of us are driving. Ooh, the sun's out. Haven't seen the sun in a few days. you. What? Oh, creamer. Thank you.
But I gotta go take my coffee.
Yeah, I might have dropped it again. Thank you. Oh, jeez.
Save it and we all use it.
Okay. Thank you.
The
Oh, you're fine.
Come on, get one. Oh, is that one?
are you vlogging? Are you vlogging?
Oh, yeah.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. Train. Yeah. Broken foot rail fan. It's okay. You buy snacks.
Hey, let me get napkins. I want one too. Okay, get two of them.
Oh, see it, yeah.
And it's credit or gift card only, no cash sales.
We're like running up the line.
Not really. But it's scary. I'm gonna be singing about ghost riders in the sky.
Ooh. I love that song.
There you go. Maybe we can whistle some up.
Yes. I love this song. And maybe one sugar. Thank you. Oh, it's a little moist.
Right now, my daughter.
Make sure that it's the stuff I did this morning.
When all at once somebody heard red-eyed cows, he saw blowing. And up a crowd saw. In the eye, in the eye.
I don't know how to lock this one. Oh, this. You don't have. Oh. Holy shit, you can It's beige. Woohoo!
I told y'all this is scary. That's the train bound for nowhere. I met up with a gambler.
Put it in my pocket.
We know after dark, or to do. And he said, son, I made it right. Reading people's faces, knowing what they come through. And the way that you right. If you don't mind saying, I can see your eyes.
vacas.
Aww. Snow cows. Arizona buffalo. When to fold in, know when to walk away, and know when to run. Money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough to count. When the deal is done. Know when to fold in, know when to walk away, and know when to run. It's your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough counting when the deal is done.
Ya. Creo que lo hacemos más. ¿Está bien? Ya, ok. Ah, bueno.
Holy shit, that's hot coffee. Got a refill, yay. My videos do not all look exactly alike. Well, I'm filming to show the different parts of the train ride. Now we're in the high desert part of the train ride. I like the desert. Oh, there's a cow. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I see him. That's cool. There's elk. But they're on the other side of the train. Oh, yeah,
I always so hard to find.
See where we are.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Let's see. Can you see the locomotive? Yeah, you can kind of see it on the camera. Oh, that is so cool.
Historic Grand Canyon Depot is located just below the famous El Tovar Hotel. To reach the El Tovar, cross street from the depot at a painted crosswalk. Then up the ramp and stairs to the hotel and rim. Lunch is served at the El Tovar until 2 p.m. Please do not take any alcoholic beverages or trash off the train. But do take everything you will need during your stay. The train will be closed up until boarding time. Please don't feed any wildlife in the park. It is illegal and can be hazardous to both you and the animal. Everyone stepping off the train and walk on the platform. While on your adventure today, please keep a close watch on the time I don't get stranded too far from the train depot. If you are returning to with us this afternoon, remember that boarding time is 3:15, and this train will depart at 3:30. Then we'll repeat that. We will start boarding at 3:15. This train's going to depart promptly at 3:30. Here's a good idea. Let's check our watches. We're all on the same time. It's 11:34. 11:34 Arizona Mountain Standard Time. We'll be turning the train backing into the depot. We may start and stop the train several times. So please remain seated until your PSA tells you it's safe to deboard. Enjoy yourself, folks, and again, thank you for riding on the Grand Canyon Railway.
There's icicles. Look at the icicles. That's cool. Oh, look at them all. My sister just texted me. She goes, it looks so freaking cold.
Abre la pata.
He said they're gonna like start and stop several times. So I think we got time.
Pensé que tú te lo pones.
Can't see that.
It said stop. I'm only saying stop on Google.
Thank you.
That way, right?
No, it was so small. How about look? Stand right here. Turn around, Max.
Taking a video, like always.
Max, go to the bus. No, you're gonna be wet, Max.
It is cold and it's snowing. Did you bring your inhaler?
No.
Yeah. I didn't bring an inhaler either. Yeah, so I guess I gotta take a shuttle to go anywhere. I didn't really research. I like to kind of be surprised sometimes. All I cared about was getting good pictures and going on the train. So, some of the Yelp reviews that I was reading, people complain about a lot of things, but they were saying that you don't really get much time to explore the canyon. So if you've never been here, this might not be the best way to come visit it for the first time, because the canyon's huge. The south rim is the most popular area. The north rim is closed this time of year, and it's like a 5-hour drive from the south rim. But yeah, if you've never been and you want to like see all the sights, I'd recommend coming a different way. But this is like my, I don't know, like 7th or 8th time coming to the canyon. So I figured this would be fun. Anyway, just know that it's a long walk from the train to anywhere, and I guess you have to take a shuttle. I think the whole rest of the train already got on the shuttles, but I was off taking pictures. Also, I don't know if you can see, but it is snowing and my battery's dying, so I'm gonna turn this off for now. So that's where the train drops you off. And you gotta take a shuttle to get to any of like the main lodges.
I said it was supposed to be snowing. I don't know what happened there.
Let's go look at the rim real quick and then we can go eat. Yeah, it's very icy. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see much today. Okay, walk slower. There's a trail way down there.
La verdad quiero tirarle ahí abajo.
¿Ustedes no querían hablar?
No. Oh, yo quería tirarle ahí abajo.
Arely, cálmate. Esta es la rieta. Cálmate, por favor.
Most of the canyon is not fenced, and you can literally walk right up to the edge, which I don't recommend doing. Especially in the wintertime with the snow and ice, because you don't know where the edge is necessarily. There's a better view. Look at that. I don't know how much longer this video is going to be because the cold is just draining my batteries. The train starts boarding at 3:15, so I'm going to start making my way back over there because they said they leave at 3:30 sharp and they will not wait for anyone.
Knock the balls with your feet. See, like that. That's what happens when you go on the balls with your feet. When you go, whoop.
Oh yeah, you walk on your tippy toes?
No, that's how you're supposed to do it. If you like step the heel, then you're gonna go slide.
I'm on my last little bit of battery. I did not know the cold would kill all my batteries.
Cold as you.
Yes. It's flashing, but it's still recording. I'm gonna save the last little bit for the train.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Grand Canyon Railway for our return trip to Wiggins. There are a few safety items I need to remind you about. Smoking is not allowed anywhere on the train. Not in the restrooms, vestibules, or platforms. No smoking, no vaping on the train. Please keep the hallways, doorways, and vestibules clear at all times. And if you're under the age of 12, please take an adult with you when you are moving through the train. And shoes must be worn if you are moving through the train. We do have our cafe car on the train, so it'll open in about 10 minutes. We do sell hot coffee, hot chocolate, cold soft drinks, cold beer and wines, variety of snack foods, and ice cream. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride. And thanks for riding the Grand Canyon Railway.
It's a whole herd of them. Oh wow, there's tons. That's awesome.
Hey, look all that.
They're all running. It's like a herd of them. That's cool. Elk. Yeah. They're like all galloping away from the train. That's cool. Run, guys, run. Take some pictures. Look at them.
She's not trying to cross the tracks right here. She's not trying to cross the tracks.
There's more. It's funny, they're all cows. I don't see any males. It's a herd of females.
They all made it through.
That's cool.
Open the back. What do you got for me now?
It's a train ride. You can take her down the back.
Look at that. You don't have to do it. Hurry up, though. It's a big train. Come on, Dad.
I got rock.
I know you was going on a break at 5.
I know, but I forgot.
Oh, I forgot.
They're so funny. Oh, yeah, you got to when did they ever on
When I went to the media. When I went to the market,
And my camera is pretty much dead.
so I had a lot of
I'm hoping to at least get past this crossing. That's where we were walking around all yesterday in that snowstorm. I come up the crossing. Here's the crossing. Okay, so I had planned to do the closing for my video at the train depot after we got back. And I guess I took too long of a video and I killed my battery. So, anyway, I'm back at my motel room in the beautiful Motel 6 here in Williams. And I was just gonna do the final part of my video, and I wrote down some things that I thought would be helpful to know before you go. First off, I mentioned earlier in the video that I'm very cheap, so I did coach instead of like the observation car or any of the fancy ones that I initially really wanted to do. I just couldn't justify like $400+. So here's my reservation email. For 2 adults, so round trip, so 2 there, 2 back. The total for coach was $216, which is reasonable for, you know, a nice full long day. The train left the station at 9:30 and it left the Grand Canyon at 3:30. The trip both ways was 2 hours and 15 minutes, so it was a nice long train ride. Let's see, what else was I gonna say? They don't search your bags like I'm used to for like flying, so you are welcome to bring snacks and things. I would recommend doing that if you're cheap like me, because, you know, a thing of string cheese, like one string cheese at the snack bar was $1 each. And so I actually did bring my own string cheese and snacks and drinks and things like that. But the cafe car was really cool. It was open. They serve light snacks, like meat sticks, chips, all that kind of stuff, and even alcohol. So I got a glass of wine on the way back, so that was exciting. And even though we were in coach, we still got some of the onboard train entertainment. There were some cool singers that performed. I'd recommend having a little bit of cash on you to tip them, because I don't ever carry cash, so I didn't really know to do that. But the funny thing is, at the snack bar, you cannot pay in cash. They only take card. Let's see what else. Overall, I think it was a really good value for what I paid for it. Maybe next time, no, I'd probably do coach again, honestly. We had a good time. Just so you know, when you get to the Grand Canyon, I thought we were in the middle of nowhere. I was very turned around, but we were right by the El Tovar Lodge. It's like the really big, fancy hotel. It was snowing and like foggy, so I couldn't really see, but just know that the train depot is right by that hotel, and you just go up some stairs. Also, on that note, if you go in the wintertime, it's the off season, so it's not as busy, but it is very icy, and I highly recommend the little traction devices for your snow boots, so you don't slip, because there were people slipping all over. And even though I knew to expect ice, I still slipped even though I was being careful. There is also one part of the video that I'm including, which was us going down the stairs, and I'm only including that in the video because I did not fall down the stairs on the ice, and I was very proud of myself. One more thing about the tickets. You have to pay the entrance fee to the Grand Canyon, which I thought was kind of weird because I would think that'd be included in your train ticket, but it's not. Also, they will go around and take pictures on the way up there. Like there's a photographer that'll take pictures of you, and then on the way back she brings you the printed out package, and if you want them you have to pay for them. I didn't think ours were good. We took cuter selfies on our phones, so I didn't pay for them. Yeah, I think that's everything. It was a really cool day. It was a lot of fun. Oh, and Mr. Brokenfoot wanted me to let you know that at the Arizona Steakhouse, they don't serve steak, but their food was good. Anyway, signing off. This is Brokenfoot. I will see you guys later. Bye.